Just my thoughts on mob programming and Daniel Kahneman's Thinking Fast and Slow. So this is from a talk at Google where he explains the book and talks about these two systems, systems 1 and 2. Let's look at them. So system 1, fast, automatic, intuitive. You're standing on the side of the road, you hear a car, and you don't go on the street because system 1 is taking care of you, protecting you automatically. And then we have system 2, according to Daniel Kahneman. This is where you go for a run and get that great idea. So the reasoning part, the slow part, the deliberate part is system 2. And the best decisions, you can argue, are a combination of 1 and 2, where you alternate between these two ways of thinking. Let's look at mob programming. So what is this all about? So mob programming, very simply explained, is where a group of people get together and work on the same task, problem, idea at the same time. But there's a constraint here. This guy is at the moment the driver. This is what the theory says. You need a driver. The driver does all the work. His hands are on the keyboard. This is from Harvard. So these guys from Harvard are working, or guys and girls from Harvard are working on the same task at the same time. It's transparent. Everybody can see the work that's going on. And these guys are, according to the theory, navigators, helping, giving input, seeing the work, correcting mistakes, discussing their ideas. So this is a system 1 guy. This is what I'm thinking. Why this way of working is so popular? That's the real question. So you get many different perspectives. This is a data center. Instead of me doing all the work by myself and then sending it off to another guy, this is a data center. You have all these computers, all these brains together in the same room working, but looking at the problem and at the task from different perspectives. So circling back to Daniel Kahneman's, he's arguing that the best decisions has to be a combination of 1 and 2. And this is what mob programming does. Doing system 1 work, this guy, and all the system 2 work. 2 works. So what happens in reality? This job is very hard, so they change every 15 minutes, every 5 minutes, whatever time frame you want to use. You go and you rotate the driver's seat all the way around. So it's also a great way of learning from each other because, of course, the skills are very different between these people.